2025 is here, and it's bringing some seriously cool home gadgets with it. You need these game changers in your home right now. Yeelight Smart Cube Light. First up, the Yeelight Smart Cube Light, perfect for your gaming room or living room. Change the mood with custom colors and sync it to your music. A simple touch on your phone, and you've got the perfect vibe. Ome Smart Knobs. Next, Ome Smart Knobs for your kitchen or furniture. Control lights, appliances, and more with just a twist. It's modern, convenient, and super easy to install. Snap Power Guide Light 2. Never trip over dark hallways again with the Snap Power Guide Light 2. It's a sleek plug-in nightlight that attaches to your outlet, giving your home a soft glow without taking up space. Sobro Coffee Table. Looking for a multifunctional coffee table? The Sobro Coffee Table comes with built-in Bluetooth speakers, a cooler, and charging ports. Everything you need in one stylish piece. Morris Zero. Tired of waiting hours for your laundry to dry? The Morris Zero Compact Dryer dries your clothes fast and efficiently, perfect for apartments or smaller spaces. Tosima Window Cleaner Robot. Say goodbye to streaks with the Tosima Window Cleaner Robot. It glides across your windows, cleaning them spotless with zero effort on your part. Alps Audio MRC 11 PRO. Finally, get crystal clear sound with the Alps Audio MRC 11 PRO speakers. Perfect for any occasion, whether you're partying or relaxing at home. Ready to take your home to the next level? Check out the links in the description and start upgrading today. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more awesome finds.